Hello lovelies, today we are making club sandwich. Very simple. If you want to know how I made this, keep watching and let's begin. First, I will cut my vegetables and set it aside, and for that I'm using cabbage, carrots and fresh tomatoes. You can see how tiny I'm shredding this carrot. That is exactly what you will be aiming for. The same thing goes with the cabbage and the fresh tomatoes. Please support me by sharing this video. Thank you. Next, I'll cut in my boiled eggs. I boiled for 7 minutes. That way the egg yolk will not change color. By the way, I'm using 3. You can use more than that if you wish. Next, I'll go in with my black pepper, salt and mayonnaise. I'll mix to combine and set it aside. In another bowl, I will mash my mackerel fish. Feel free to use sardine if that is what you want. You can also use shredded chicken. I am using 2 cans. Feel free to add or reduce. Once that is done, I will add my mayonnaise. Mix to combine and set it aside. The next step is to put everything together. I've got my white bread. Next, I'll cut the edges. It makes the sandwich to look beautiful. Okay guys, there is no waste here. After cutting, I will pop it in my oven and allow it to dry. Next, I will blend and my homemade breadcrumbs is ready. You can dry it with your frying pan and make your homemade breadcrumbs. I just want to put it out there. This sandwich will be in 4 layers. First, the salad. Second, the mackerel. Third, the salad again, and I will cover it up with 1 plain bread like this. Next, I will cut it and serve with any drink of your choice. I hope you find happiness in watching today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye!